If you want to reset a hosting or website quickly and safely, this video is going to walk you through the easiest methods step by step. Now, just to be clear, in this tutorial we're resetting the WordPress website that's hosted on Hostinger, not your entire hosting account. That means you can start fresh without having to rebuild everything manually. This is really useful if you're testing themes, trying different plugins, or you just want to wipe the site and begin again from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. You can usually do this by going to your site address and adding wp-admin at the end. So for example, yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Once the login page opens, enter your username and password and sign in. After you're inside WordPress, look at the left-hand menu. You need to go to Plugins, then click Add New. This is where we'll install the tool that makes the reset possible. In the search bar, type WP Reset. This plugin is one of the most common ways to reset a WordPress site because it gives you a simple reset option without needing to manually delete files or databases yourself. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. When the plugin is active, go back to the left menu and open Tools. Under Tools, click WP Reset. This will take you into the plugin's control panel, where you can manage reset options for your site. Now, before you click anything, take a moment to understand what this does. A reset usually clears your WordPress content and settings, so it's important to make sure you've backed up anything important first. If you have pages, posts, images, or settings you want to keep, save them before continuing. Once you're ready, scroll until you find the Reset section. Here, you'll see the option to reset the website. This is the step that will restore your WordPress site back to a clean state. Carefully follow the on-screen confirmation instructions, because this action is usually irreversible. WordPress will often ask you to type a confirmation phrase or word to make sure you really want to proceed. That extra step is there to prevent accidental resets. After you confirm, click the Reset button and wait for the process to complete. The site will refresh, and your WordPress installation should now be reset. At this point, your previous content and settings will be cleared, and you can start building the website again from scratch. Once the reset is finished, go back to your dashboard and check that everything looks clean and ready for a fresh setup. From there, you can reinstall your theme, add your plugins again, and begin rebuilding your pages exactly the way you want them. So that's how to reset a hosting or website using WordPress and the WP Reset plugin. It's a simple process, but you should always be careful and make sure you have a backup before taking this step. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.